Here's how to make AI videos for free in under 60 seconds. This is coming from someone who has tested over 10 different AI video generators. This one is by far the easiest to use, and the results are truly amazing. Let's get started. In this video, you'll learn how to create text-to-video, script-to-video, auto subtitles, and text-to-speech videos using the new Capcut AI tools. All of these are available completely free online. There's no download required, and you can use it right in your web browser. The setup takes less than 1 minute. Once you're in Capcut, click on the AI icon on the top left corner to access all the different tools. First, we're going to do text-to-video. Simply write your prompt, click Generate, and then you can either click on one of the images to insert, or you can click on the plus icon to insert multiple images. Now that we have our video generated, we can quickly trim and edit it just like you would in a normal video editor. If you want to speed things up, you can also duplicate the video clip and then drag the second one forward. Next, let's do a script to video. Simply paste your script, choose the video style, aspect ratio, and then click Auto Build Scenes. In just a few seconds, Capcut will automatically generate the video for you and build out the entire thing scene by scene. This saves you so much time, and it's really easy to use. Now let's do auto subtitles. Click on the generated captions, choose your language, and click Generate. It's really that simple. And finally, we can add a voiceover using text-to-speech. Choose from one of the pre-generated captions or type in your own voiceover script. Click Generate, and then you can download the audio file. Here are 5 speed tips to keep in mind when prompting and editing your AI videos. 1. Make sure to be as descriptive as possible in your prompts. For example, instead of saying create a video about a beach, say create a cinematic video of a beautiful beach with crystal clear water and white sand. The more descriptive you are, the better the results will be. Mistake no. 1 is not adding a style to your script to video. Always choose a style such as cinematic, cartoon, or anime. This will ensure that your video turns out exactly how you want it. When exporting your video, make sure to choose 108p and a higher frame rate. This will give you the best quality for uploading to YouTube or YouTube Shorts. And that's it. Here's our final result for the demo. If you found this tutorial helpful, try out some of these prompts. And if you enjoyed this video, please hit the like button. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Here are some useful links to help you get started with Capcut. You can try the text-to-video AI for free using the link below. Make sure to check out the other Capcut AI tools as well. And if you want to learn more about auto subtitles, there's a step-by-step guide linked below. Finally, don't forget to check out text-to-speech. And here's the link to Capcut's Terms of Service, which is important for creators to know. Thanks again for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.